Morning, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here, doing a video walkthrough on a 2016 27 Scott Dorado. Stepping into the cockpit, I've got one of the companion chairs folded down and the other up, just to give you an idea. With all these seats down, you can fit a crowd on here if you're just entertaining, or they flip up and you've got a great cockpit to work with for fishing or whatever sports you want to enjoy. Huge storage there. Coming to the helm, you've got a flip down bolster, stainless hardware, really nicely appointed. Got a GPS chart plotter. You can see the sounder going there. That is integrated with the Command Link, so you've got engine gauges, fuel burn, all that stuff in this unit, and then you also have your standalone unit for your Yamaha controls. You can control your lights, bilge pumps, so on and so forth through the touchscreen on the Garmin unit. VHF radio. Just going around, one more shot back here in this large cockpit for you. Live well on the starboard side. Large storage area in the port. Again, these seats just flip up, get out of the way. Check out this jump seat, one on both sides, but you get ready to run offshore, you can flip it down, be a good ride, and when you get there you can flip it back. Walking towards the bow, huge, nice, deep, safe bow. Then Scout has this table that flips down, so it gives you a place to set up for lunch or something along those lines. And then there's a cooler underneath there that you plug. Then you got your windlass foot controls up here. Got a boarding ladder that flips over, so you can bow up to the sandbar, come on and off the boat at the bow area. Let me just step up here and give you a shot from the back. Hardtop, stainless rails. You can close that windshield, close that door, and really cut down on your wind if you're out on the water on a windy day. Let me just show you this compartment so you can take a look at the wiring. This is underneath the helm. It's got some life jackets stored in here, but there's access to the electrical side of the boat. Flip up bolster. Let me just give you a shot of the pictures. This boat does have the upgraded stereo system, so you can see that sub there behind the companion chair. Grabbing the keys, sorry for the delay, but I want to show you this head compartment real quick. He keeps it locked. So there's your Japsco head, little vanity, wood floor. This is a nice boat, guys. It will not last long, I can tell you that. Just a little bit too much boat for the current owner, and they're going to downsize, and that's the only reason. The boat has an onboard charger. It is bottom painted. He keeps it here in this slip. Show you that head compartment. It's good size. Some of them are so tight and jammed in there, you'd hate to ever try to get in there. Getting out might be tough. You won't have that problem on this boat. Again, just one more quick walk around for you. Hard top here. You can see got the blue courtesy LED lights. 4 speakers up top. You got your sub, and then you got 2 fusion speakers forward. Freshwater wash down there, saltwater wash down on the transom. You just do a quick walk around the outside too. Pardon my mess sitting there. So this is that cockpit seating area. Stainless steel anchor on the bow. See a nice floating dock that he keeps the boat moored at. And then coming along, Guys, again, thanks for your time today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been helpful in giving you a representation of the condition of this boat. It is a nice, clean, low-hour Scout. So give us a call if you have any questions. My name's Andy Farmer with MarineMax at Wrightsville Beach. Love to help you any way I can. Again, 2016 275 Scott Dorado. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Best way to reach me is my cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.